সকল বোর্ড 2017 সেন্টেন্স কানেক্টরস Honesty is a noble virtue. The man who possesses this uncommon quality is the happiest man in the world. Truly speaking, a man should have trustworthiness, as nobody believes a liar. A liar may prosper for the time being, but ultimately he goes to the dogs. So we should be honest in our life. It is believed that honesty is the best policy. On the other hand, dishonesty is the sign of downfall. God helps those who are honest. On the other hand, dishonest people are cursed. Childhood is the best time when children should be taught honesty. It is seen that children follow their parents, so parents should be honest. Moreover, they should be allowed to mix with those friends who are really honest because they build up their character. পরবর্তীতে যশোর বোর্ড 2017 Unemployment is a great problem in our country. In fact, it is the burning question of the day. Now, almost all the countries of the world suffer from the curse of unemployment problem, but Bangladesh is the worst sufferer of this so-called problem. In fact, nowhere in the world this problem is so acute as in our country. Actually, there are many reasons behind it. Firstly, our country is industrially backward. Secondly, our system of education fails to give a student an independent start of life. Moreover, it has little provision for vocational training. Thus, our students and youths have false sense of dignity, so they run after jobs blindly. পরবর্তীতে ঢাকা বোর্ড 2017 সেন্টেন্স কানেক্টরস Mobile phone has added a new dimension to our communication system. It has made the world closer to us. In fact, it has made worldwide communication easier. We use it for our day-to-day communication. Thus, it has been part and parcel in our life, as we cannot go for a single day without using it. We use it for rapid communication. But mobile phone is not free from defects. It has some negative sides as well. Firstly, excessive use of mobile phone may damage our hearing power. Secondly, it is a means of money wastage. At present, it is seen that many underworld crimes are being done with the use of mobile network. Moreover, the radiation from mobile phone may cause cancer to the users. However, we are aware of these harmful effects, but we are not aware of using the mobile phone. So we must have to be conscious of the negative impacts of mobile phone. রাজশাহী বোর্ড 2017 Man is a social being, so a man cannot live alone. In fact, man has been living together from time immemorial. Living in society is not an easy task. We have to follow certain rules and regulations of the society. Firstly, we should be cooperative. Therefore, we must help others when they are in need. Secondly, we have to be careful not to hurt others by our words or activities. That is why we must control our emotions and behave rationally with others. Thirdly, we should not think and live only for us. Rather, we should always think and work for the betterment of the society. So, we should remain prepared to sacrifice our lives for the greater interest of the society. In fact, sacrificing our lives for the society makes us immortal. পরবর্তীতে দিনাজপুর বোর্ড 2017 It was the night before my math exam in the second semester. I could not do better in the math exam of first semester, so I was really serious about the exam. In fact, I was careful enough not to spend a single moment in vain, but the night did not pass smoothly at all because it was full of mishaps. At first, the electricity went out. I waited for it for about an hour. However, there was no sign of its coming. So I lighted a candle and began to study again. The flickering light of the candle was creating problems for me. Soon I began to feel a bad headache. I really wanted to get rid of it. After that, I left my reading room and stood in the balcony for some time. I began to feel better, but could not stay there for long. So I left the place. Then I went to my reading room again. Luckily, to add to my gladness, the electricity came. I could finish my study within 2 hours. Thus, I went to bed with a happy mind. পরবর্তীতে বরিশাল বোর্ড 2017 Water is a vital element of the environment, but this element is polluted in many ways. For example, farmers use chemicals, fertilizers, and insecticides in their field. When rain and flood wash away these chemicals, they get mixed with water in rivers, canals, and ponds and pollute it. Besides, mills and factories throw their poisonous chemicals and waste product into water. Furthermore, water vehicles also pollute water by dumping food waste and human waste into it. Again, sanitary latrines and unsafe drains also contribute to water pollution. Water is called life. So, we cannot allow this pollution to continue. We have to raise an awareness about it. That is why laws should be enforced strictly. If we fail to check water pollution, we will suffer. সর্বশেষ চিটাগাং বোর্ড 2017 সেন্টেন্স কানেক্টরস Rangpur Town Hall is a place of cultural activities, but in 1971 it became a torture cell used by the Pakistani army. At the time, the army brought here innocent Bengalis. After that, they started to bring Bengali women here. Among them, Manshura Begum was one who was the wife of a freedom fighter. As she was young and beautiful, she drew the attention of local collaborators. That is why they informed the Pakistani army. As a result, the Pakistani army abducted Manshura. One day of occurrence, Pakistani soldiers surrounded her house. After that, they searched her husband, who joined the Mukti Bahini. Finally, they found her father in law. They started to beat him mercilessly. The old man got unconsciousness. Yet the barbarous soldiers did not stop beating him. Manshura rushed to her father in law, grabbed his bleeding body, and begged the military not to kill him. But they did not listen to her. They picked up the old man on the military truck. Besides, they pulled and dragged Manshura on the truck. খুবই দুঃখজনক ঘটনা। সকলকে ধন্যবাদ পাশে থাকার জন্য। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।